Hey guys, and welcome back to Learn How to Dance, where you can find step-by-step tutorial of the most popular dances, TikTok dances, Fortnite dances, and other awesome dances. So, today we're going to do something special. I have my very good friend here, John Lee, with me, who is an amazing dancer and teacher, and now he's also doing music. He's a great musician. If you want to check out his stuff, I'll put all the links down in the description. So, John is a specialist in Afro dances. So, today we're gonna learn how to do the Gwara Gwara.
So hello guys, nice to be here. Thank you Bob for the invitation. And I'm looking forward to teach you the Gwara Gwara dance move from South Africa. I hope you're ready. Alright, let's go. So you're gonna start very simple, just by lifting the right leg and bringing it back. Okay, so that's the basic. Yes, up, down, very simple. Now we're gonna add a weight. So lift it, go to the right and bend. So you can see that there was a weight transition from left to right here and bend your right, okay? So up, bend at the same time. Up, bend, and switch the weight here, bend, yes, up, bend.
I just have one question, John.
Yes.
So you're sticking your toes outwards and then you bring them in?
Yeah,
like that?
Out, yeah, exactly. So bring it out, turn in, out, in,
Right.
out, in, exactly. Now you want to use your right hand going into circles, roll and roll.
Can we just do the arms?
Roll.
Again?
Yes. So we're gonna use basically now just the right hand is going around like this in circles. Stretch it, bend, stretch it, bend, and stretch, and bend, and stretch, and bend. Yeah.
All right.
Good. So let's go. Both together. Leg, bend, circle, and straight again. Boom. Click.
Okay, so you pull in when you're down and then you push out when you're up.
Yeah, basically that's it. So here, go down, pull in, and push out, straighten your hands. Boom. Click, click, click. Remember, turn out and turn in your knee. This direction like a diagonal and release. So boom.
What about the other leg, like the left leg? What do you do with that?
The left leg is best if it's not completely straightened. So you want to bend it a little bit.
Okay.
Yes. And because the weight gonna be on this left to start with, bend it and keep it here, bend. Boom. Boom. Yes, we're getting there.
Oh.
Boom. Boom.
Okay, maybe we should do it to the side as well, just so we know how much to bend, like.
Yeah. So you don't want to bend too much. I mean, you can, because there was many ways to do it, but this one, let's just bend a little bit here. Yeah. So straighten, turn in, down, and zoom, 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 zoom. Yes.
Oh, you need to have it a bit back as well?
That's up to you actually.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you don't need to be here.
No, you don't need to. You can be parallel.
Okay.
Yeah. Parallel.
Alright.
Maybe this side, then cool. We're still doing it on the right. Right, bend a little bit your left. Straight, turn out, in, and boom. 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 Boom.
What about your upper body? Do you need to lean forward or can you stay up here? Because
Yeah.
I feel like
Yeah,
I need to.
good question indeed. The upper body is gonna lean a little bit forward, just like that. Yeah, as you can see here, Z position like a Zorro. Boom, 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 boom.
Oh, you're getting it.
Yes, you got this, bro.
All right, let's just try it all together.
Yes, 5, 6, 7, and slow, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah.
All right.
Now let's try a little faster, maybe.
All right, let's try that.
So 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Yeah. Perfect, Bob. You got this.
I hope you guys are doing it better than me at home.
You're good, man. You got it.
Thanks, baby.
And then that was like the basic, but of course there are many ways to do it. Once you understand the move, you can play around. Like you asked before, you can step back if you want.
Okay.
Yeah, and you can also switch the weight, like keeping your weight on the left and only stay here.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
So this one is weightless. You can.
Yeah, exactly. So weightless on the right and just boom, 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 boom. Or else step back, more in the back and go, hey. And you can also do levels. Yeah, and go bring back inside here. Or switch legs. But yeah, people have hard time switching legs, but it's also a good exercise to practice both sides.
For me.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, so we have all kinds of variations.
Yes.
And I've noticed that some people, they also include some shoulders.
It's like that's up to every person to add this special texture.
Yeah,
flavor, I would say. So, like I said before, just understand the basic, right? And then after you can go whatever you want, and you can also do walk 1, 2, 3, 4 going up and down, up, hey, and down, up, and down, up. And you can, if you want to add your shoulders, you can. And also you don't have to do this move that we show you with the hands. You can basically go here, Yeah, maybe I want to add a special one.
All right, let's do it.
For the super strong dancers. So I have shown you the basic move here. Now we're going to add a little variation when kick,
So kind of
kick.
putting all your weight to your right leg.
To the right. Exactly. Right. So I pull, release the left, boom, boom, boom. This is my little variation for you today, guys.
All right, awesome.
Yes, and when you go fast, you go like boom, 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 boom. Yes.
Okay, I might need some practice, but I'm getting there.
Good job, brother.
Alright guys, I think that was it for the Gwara Gwara, right?
Yes,
yep.
That was it basically.
Thank you so much, Sean, for being with us here today. I hope you guys learned something. I certainly did. So, thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, see you.